Welcome back. After growing anger over the Odisha horror when a verbal altercation took place between the duo and some policemen, following which the officer and his fiancée were allegedly assaulted at the police station, we're given to understand that the Odisha Chief Minister has now ordered a judicial inquiry into the alleged torture of an army officer and the sexual assault of his fiancée at a police station. We have Sabyasachi joining us with more details. So a judicial inquiry now ordered by the Chief Minister.
Well, that's right. A judicial inquiry has been ordered by the Chief Minister, Mohan Majhi, and this investigation will be led by Justice Chittaranjan Das, and they have to submit a report within 60 days to the Odisha High Court. Now, today, as per the sources, the Odisha government is likely to submit a prayer at the Odisha High Court, stating that the current crime branch-led investigation, which is going into this matter, should also be directly monitored by the Odisha High Court. Now, yesterday there was a high-level meeting that went where Chief Minister, the two Deputy Chief Minister, as well as the Revenue Minister and Law Minister were present. And after this high-level meeting, it was decided that a judicial inquiry needs to be ordered into this matter. Now, the opposition, mostly the BJP, has been demanding for a judicial inquiry into this matter, stating that the entire state machinery has completely failed. Now, yesterday, another high-level meeting took place where some retired army personnel, the complainant, as well as the two deputy chief ministers were present. And in that particular meeting, the state government have assured the complainant that necessary action would be taken against anyone who's found responsible behind the heinous crime. Now, the crime branch, which is investigating this matter, yesterday, the investigating officer of the crime branch said that some crucial evidences has been collected by the crime branch team, like the mobile CDR, the digital records. These information has been collected by the crime branch, and very soon some crucial information is going to be put out in public by the investigation officer. Back to you.
All right, Sabyasachi, thank you very much for getting us the details. We'll keep coming back to you for more. With that, we're into a very short break. News and updates will continue.